Boost your credit score by 100 points in 30 days. 2025 new tips. Are you ready to take control of your finances and skyrocket your credit score by 100 points in just 30 days? In 2025, new tools and strategies make improving your credit score easier than ever before. Stick with me as I share actionable, step-by-step tips that can transform your financial health in no time. Your credit score is more than just a number, it's a gateway to financial freedom. Whether you're planning to buy a home, secure a car loan, or even rent an apartment, a higher credit score can save you thousands of dollars in interest and fees. In this video, we'll dive into the newest and most effective methods to boost your credit score in 2025. These tips are practical, easy to implement, and guaranteed to help you achieve results. 1. Check your credit report for errors. Your journey to a better credit score starts with understanding where you stand. In 2025, tools like Experian Boost, Credit Karma, and AnnualCreditReport.com make accessing your credit report easier than ever. Why it matters: errors on your report, such as incorrect balances or late payments that don't belong to you, can significantly hurt your score. Action step: go through your report line by line and dispute any inaccuracies. Credit bureaus are legally required to investigate and resolve disputes within 30 days. 2. Reduce your credit utilization ratio. Your credit utilization ratio, the percentage of available credit you're using, makes up 30% of your credit score. A lower ratio means a higher score. Quick fixes: pay down your credit card balances to under 30% of your credit limit. Ideally, aim for 10%. If possible, make multiple payments throughout the month to keep your balance low. Request a credit limit increase from your card issuer. A higher limit automatically lowers your utilization ratio if your spending stays the same. 3. Use Experian Boost and UltraFico. New in 2025, tools like Experian Boost and UltraFico allow you to include alternative data like utility payments, streaming service subscriptions, and banking history to improve your credit score. How it works: Experian Boost links to your bank account to track positive payment history for utilities and services like Netflix or Spotify. UltraFico takes into account your savings habits, checking account balances, and cash flow to create a more personalized credit score. These tools are free and can add instant points to your score.
4. Resolve outstanding debt strategically. If you have old collections or overdue accounts, addressing them can lead to significant score improvements. Steps to take: contact collection agencies and negotiate a pay-for-delete agreement. This means they remove the negative mark from your credit report in exchange for payment. For overdue accounts, bring them current as soon as possible. Late payments hurt less over time, but catching up shows creditors you're serious about improving. 5. Open a secured credit card or become an authorized user. Building positive credit history is crucial. Secured credit card: put down a small deposit as collateral and use the card responsibly. Pay off balances in full every month to build your score. Authorized user: ask a trusted family member or friend with good credit to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. You benefit from their good credit history without having to use the card yourself. 6. Keep your old accounts open. Credit age is an important factor in your score. Even if you don't use an old credit card, keeping it open helps maintain a longer credit history. Pro tip: set up a small recurring charge, like a subscription, on an old card and pay it off monthly. This keeps the account active and in good standing. 7. Make payments on time. Every time payment history accounts for 35% of your credit score, making it the most critical factor. Best practices: set up auto pay for all bills to avoid missing payments. If you've missed a payment recently, contact the creditor and ask for a goodwill adjustment. Many companies are willing to remove late marks if you have a good payment history overall. 8. Avoid hard inquiries. Every time you apply for a new credit card or loan, it triggers a hard inquiry, which can temporarily lower your score. What to do: limit new credit applications while improving your score. If you're shopping for a loan, do it within a short period, 14 to 45 days, to count as a single inquiry. 9. Monitor your progress. Improving your credit score is a process, so it's important to track your progress. Use apps like Credit Karma or your bank's credit monitoring tools to watch your score climb. Celebrate small milestones to stay motivated. Boosting your credit score by 100 points in just 30 days is achievable with focus and discipline. By checking your credit report, lowering your utilization, Leveraging new tools like Experian Boost and building positive habits, you can take charge of your financial future. Remember, your credit score is a powerful tool that can open doors to better loans, lower interest rates, and more financial opportunities. Start today, and your future self will thank you.